Hello, children! Mother and Father of all creation here. Yeah, all creation is right here with us. Love is one and joy reigns two. Sending you so much love to each and every one of you. We're going to put a little Ascension love song out for you on this beautiful Monday, so that we all may stay protected. Love you so much. Thank you. Feelings are strange, especially when they come true. And I had a feeling that you'd be leaving soon. So I tried to rearrange all my emotions, but it seemed the same no matter what I do. Well, that blue umbrella rests upon my shoulder, hides the pain while the rain makes up my mind. Well, my feet are wet, thinking this thing over, and it felt so good being in the warm sunshine. Just give me one good reason, and I promise I won't ask you anymore. Just give me one extra season, so I can figure out the other four. Well, the daytime makes me wonder why you left me. Nighttime makes me wonder what I said. Next words are the words I'd like to plan on, but I know they're not the words we said. But that blue umbrella rests upon my shoulder, hides the pain while the rain makes up my mind. Well, my feet are wet, I'm thinking this thing over, but it's been so long since I felt the warm sunshine. Just give me one good reason, and I promise I won't ask you anymore. Just give me one good season, and I promise I won't ask you anymore. Just give me one good reason, and I promise I won't ask you anymore. Just give me one extra season, and I promise I won't ask you anymore. Oh, thank you for that beautiful song, Johnny Prine. We love you so much. Sending all the love to the Prine family and our beautiful galactic family. We love and thank you so much. Bless you all. Hey, we'll see you at 4:44.